We want the Arduino to turn itself completely off. To do this, we're using two MOSFETs. For this example, once we press the button, it'll turn itself on, stay on for 7 seconds, and then shut itself off. Now let's see how it's done. Okay, here's what we need. We got the schematic. We need a power source, 6.5 to 12 volts, some jumper cables, a breadboard, a button. I'm using an Arduino Nano. You can also use an Uno, two 10K resistors, two MOSFETs, an N-channel MOSFET, and a P-channel MOSFET. There are some other circuits out there. I tried one using only one MOSFET. I didn't get it to work. Another circuit that did work was using an NPN and a PNP transistor, but that circuit was limited to low current. The NPN transistor got quite hot if you draw more than 300-400 milliamps. So this is the way to go. Let's wire up and do some current test. I uploaded the code. Now let's connect a multimeter to measure the current. Positive to ground from the circuit, and negative to ground, leading to our power source. Now, as you see, the Arduino Nano draws about 27 milliamps. Now let's check the microamps to see if something's leaking. Nothing. Great. Now let me hook up this little project to see how much current it draws. It implements a Neo 6M GPS model, an SD card, and a Bluetooth model. I'm going to combine these two projects to preserve battery. I'll use a voltage sensor to tell the Arduino to shut itself off once the voltage reaches a certain point. I hope this was useful. For feedback, just leave a comment.